Does the AI always need an internet connection? Not necessarily. Syntronix uses fun animal metaphors to help you understand edge AI. We'll also show you how our 3D wafer-on-wafer design service can faster track your AI chips to market and capture the lead. Edge AI functions independently of the cloud, even without a network connection. It enables offline computing and autonomous decision-making to strengthen privacy barriers. Much like a bat navigating the dark, it doesn't rely on external guidance, using only its internal sonar to fly precisely through complex environments. This capability for offline autonomy is highly attractive to smart hospitals, banks, and schools, helping them build a formidable cybersecurity moat. To achieve offline autonomy, Edge AI device must deliver high performance, low power consumption, and miniaturization with limited hardware resources, posing a significant challenge for chip design. Don't worry, Syntronix 3D wafer-on-wafer design service empowers customers to develop optimized AI chips. Syntronix 3D wafer-on-wafer design service combines through silicon via technology to vertical stack logic and DRAM wafers. This innovative architecture delivers three advantages: shorter transmission distance, lower power consumption, superior integration. CD wafer-on-wafer design service, making AI chips smaller, faster, and more power efficient. The path to autonomous intelligence.